Hi all. Today I am going to explain about Van Limborgh's multifactorial theory. This is one of the most accepted theory explaining the development of the malocclusion. According to Van Limborgh, malocclusion is not just caused by a single factor. Instead, it develops due to the interaction of genetic and environmental factors through the growth and development of craniofacial complex. This synthesis is essentially from the three basic theories of craniofacial growth. His theory is conceptual, taking only the positive aspects of Scott cartilaginous theory, sutural dominance theory by Fisher, and Moses functional matrix theory. There are some factors. They are classified by four groups. These are genetic factors, epigenetic factors, general environmental factors, and local environmental factors. First one is genetic factors. These include inherited characteristics such as jaw size, tooth size, facial pattern, and congenital anomalies. These determine the basic framework of the facial growth. Second one is epigenetic factors. These are influences that affect the expressions of genes during growth, such as hormones and local tissue interactions. They modify how genetic information is expressed. Third one is general environmental factors. These affect the whole body and include nutrition, systemic diseases, endocrine disorders, and trauma. Such factors can alter normal growth and development. Fourth one is local environmental factors. These act directly in the oral cavity and include thumb sucking, tongue thrusting, mouth breathing, premature loss of teeth, supernumerary teeth, retained deciduous teeth, and dental caries. These factors may disturb tooth eruption and occlusion. Van Limborgh emphasized that malocclusion results from combined action of hereditary and environmental factors rather than a single cause. Understanding these factors help orthodontists identify the cause of malocclusion and plan appropriate and corrective treatment. Thank you.